Alright. So, we can't, wait. We gotta try to fix it first, see if it'll come on. It appears to be broken. Looks like this might be the problem here. We're missing an S key. See if you can weld that. Maybe that'll fix it.
Huh. Can I fix it?
That might not be fixing it.
I don't think it's fixing it.
Nice. Is that fixing the screen? It had a crack right there. See if you can weld it back together.
Oh, that's not putting it back together. I don't think that's fixed it.
Yeah, maybe you should try pressing the power button.
Maybe it wasn't turning on. Maybe we gotta weld the power button back together. See if we can weld it back together.
Yeah, that's a problem. Huh. I don't know.
Wonder how they fix computers. I thought you used a welder. Maybe we're wrong. Maybe we're wrong?
Maybe.
I might be wrong.
Yeah, maybe you just need to weld the USB port.
Oh, maybe we should use magic on it. Should we try magic? Did you want to try welding the port?
Alright. Does that fix it?
Oh, it stinks for sure.
Yeah. Maybe we'll try welding the screen somehow.
Screen, fix that crack. I don't think it's fixing it, bud. And we got another problem. Pouring magic powder on this after it's been real hot.
Oh.
That's a problem. Don't want to do that. Alright. Let's let it cool off before pouring the magic powder. We'll try to fix it with magic.
That smells bad.
Yeah, it smells bad though. Alright, now it started. Alright, so you're gonna try to do a delicate micro adjustment?
Yes.
Okay, see if... We'll try to squeeze the keyboard back together. I meant jump on it. Is that working?
I don't think so.
Try to squeeze it back together. I think we're just losing keys.
Yeah. Where do you think they all went?
I don't know. Probably gonna have to use like some magic powder to make them reappear.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, got the bezel off.
Let me see if I can fix this.
Oh, is that the camera where the government's using to record us?
Probably.
Maybe we should weld that shut so they can't record us.
Alright.
Did you get it? Or you want to weld it shut?
Yeah.
Alright. Weld that camera shut. Take that, CSI, or NCIS, or what is it? FBI. No, who's the ones that record everything? NSA. Yeah, that's it. Take that, NSA.
Does NSA stand for National Security of America?
It stands for Nosy Sucky. Yeah, that's what it stands for. Nosy Sucking. Sucky. No, National Security Agency. Not of America, though. It's National Security Agency, pretty sure. You're right in the smoke of that. See how it kind of bulges, huh? And then it pops. A little crevice there, huh? I can still see the camera lens, though. See if you can weld it shut a little better.
I see some green fire.
Yeah. That's pretty. Must be like copper or something. Do you still want to use magic on this one?
Yeah.
Okay, well, we better do it before we lose too much more daylight. You pretty...
I put that in my mask to try and blow it
Get
out.
it out of the smoke, dude. Thank you. Well, it's you that has to breathe. Don't apologize to me. Sorry, I can't breathe. Sorry, I'm standing in the smoke, so I can't breathe. All right. You're mad at it now?
Yeah.
For making it hard to breathe?
Yeah.
All right, fix it. Teach the lesson. Say, you're a bad boy. You're a bad boy.
Bad boy.
Bad boy. Oh, we don't have safety goggles on. Better only do it one more smash, and then we'll put on safety goggles.
bad.
All right. I think it might still be hot on this side.
I think it's broken.
You think we can fix it? Maybe we should send it to Dell. See if they can fix it. Oh, it
Let's try the
stinks.
magic powder first.
Try magic powder?
Yeah.
Maybe we can use the magic powder to magically teleport it back to Dell.
Yeah.
Let's try that.
Yeah, let's do
The laptop appears to be pretty damaged, so what we're going to do is we're going to put some magic powder on it and then send it back to Dell for a service. Let's see, it's a Latitude E6510. So we're going to use some magic powder. And we'll put that, let's see, let's put it in the middle of the keyboard. Just be like that, maybe. You think? You think that's a good amount?
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, probably fine. Okay. And then, now we're going to send that to Dell. Why don't you go ahead and stop that? Appears that the laptop has magically disappeared and gone off to Dell for service. So we probably expect that back in about 2 to 3 weeks. Yeah?
Yeah.
It'll probably take about 2 to 3 weeks for it to land.